Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on OPPO A5m. Let's begin! First, we can start with checking our current screen rotation setting. We can do that by expanding our control center twice, maybe without lowering the brightness. As you can see, we cannot see our current mode of screen rotation, so we can try to search for it, and there it is. I will move it in a way so, okay, this won't work. Instead, I will go with the edit tiles function, and I want to move it to the left side so we can have an easier access to it. So now we have access here. Currently, the auto rotation is enabled. Note that if we disable it, we won't be having any kind of auto rotation. In order to prove that, let's go into... Oh, there's so much bloatware here. God damn it. Let's go to Calculator, the best application in the world. Of course, now, whenever I try to go and turn it into portrait mode, in landscape mode it doesn't really work, since our auto rotation is not enabled. If we go back though and enable auto rotation, we will see that now we can freely rotate our calculator. Pretty cool. Now, if for some reason it's not working for you, I would simply advise you to reboot your device. We can do that by pressing power button and volume up button at the same time, and then switching to restart. Now I know that this may seem kind of silly, but I promise you it does make sense. Whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but also the hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is responsible for screen rotation. And lastly, while the phone is rebooting, I can also talk about the fact that not all applications support both portrait and landscape modes. The best example of this are probably games, especially like mobile games. For example, Clash Royale, very known game, is only played in portrait mode. However, some sorts of Call of Duty or something like that can only be played in landscape mode. And no matter what setting you will do, they cannot be played in other modes. So that's pretty important to note. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found this useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.